My channel. My name is Drea if you're new here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I achieve my sleek low messy bun on a like maybe 4 or 5 day old twist out. And if you would like to know how I achieve my twist out, then check out my last video. It'll be linked in the description and also in the cards above. And I'm just showing y'all what my hair looks like after that 5 day old twist out. Alright, so now I'm just taking my rat tail comb and I'm going to create a side part. Alright, and now I'm just going to separate my hair into sections. When I do my sleek styles, I always like to do my hair in sections. First, I'm gonna do like maybe like 3 or 4 big sections, and then I'm gonna split it into smaller sections, and I'm gonna start all the way at the back. Alright, now just going in with my spray bottle, I'm going to start to wet my hair down. And with any sleek style you do, you want to make sure you always wet your hair and try to get it as wet as possible, because you don't want to be brushing and combing your hair while it's dry. Now I'm taking my favorite product, which is my Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. I'm just re-moisturizing my hair as I go, applying it to each section. Alright, now I'm just taking my big old tub of Eco Styler gel that's bigger than my head that I got from the beauty supply store for about $12. And I'm going to take that and start applying it to my roots. And then I'm going to take my brush and start to slick it down. And like I said earlier, I'm just working in sections because it makes it easier to get my hair sleek. And that's what that back section looks like once I get through with it. Alright, and now I'm just repeating those same steps, taking a small section, wetting it with my spray bottle, then taking my Tangle Teezer brush and combing at the roots. Then I go in with my fingers to further detangle, because it's better to use your fingers than a brush. And you want to make sure you take your time when you detangle it, so you don't get any breakage or rip your hair out. And now I'm taking that Curls Blueberry Bliss product. I'm just adding that to this section. And then I'm adding my gel to my roots. And then I'm going to take my brush and brush that through to get it slick. Alright, and now I'm just taking that scrunchie out, and I'm going to add that piece that I just did to that back section. Come on. Come on. Okay, this is what my hair looks like when I'm done, but I'm not done yet though. I'm gonna take my Got To Be Glue gel and I'm just applying it to the edges of my hair to get it even sleek. And I'm gonna start laying my edges. This part is completely optional. If you're not really into laying your edges, then you can skip this part. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take my scarf and wrap that around. And this one is for my edges, and I use another black scarf to set the rest of my hair. And I like to do my sleek styles at night so that it can have time to set overnight and dry. Alright, and now I'm just gonna take my puff and start to create a messy bun. And I'm basically just taking my hair, folding it over, and then bobby pinning it down to create that messy